I'm Evie Takis, Functional Diagnostic Nutrition Practitioner. I'm the owner and head coach of Holistically Restored. Here at Holistically Restored, I work with women who are ready to regain their health. They're ready to take a deeper look, understand their bodies, and improve their overall wellness. We do this through hormone coaching, thyroid coaching, and weight management coaching. Holistically Restored began in the midst of my own healing journey. Right as I graduated high school, I was diagnosed with Hashimoto's and hypothyroidism, and I was told that there basically wasn't anything that I could do about it. I was prescribed medication and was told to take this for the rest of my life and that I could go back every 6 months for routine lab work. And I did that for about a decade. And in that time, things progressively got worse. I was experiencing anxiety, I was having bouts of depression, I was having bloating issues, I was having hormonal imbalances, and I just knew that this wasn't the way that I was meant to live. So I decided to take things into my own hands and I hired my own holistic health coach. And through that process, this whole world of alternative modalities was opened up to me, and I fell in love with all the different things that we could do to really heal our bodies and to optimize our health. Through my experience going through my own healing journey, coupled with my certifications, I can now coach my clients to have their own successful healing journey. Using functional labs and a medical director program, we can take a deeper look into what it is that your body needs. This helps guide the protocol and help us better understand what it is that we can be doing together to help you reach your goals faster. Through private and group coaching, I instill the confidence in my clients to work towards their goals. They know that they are not destined to live with chronic bloat, symptomatic periods, anxiety, fatigue. They know that there is a better way, and together we help them achieve that. When you're ready to work together, we begin the process with a consultation. This is a time for you to tell your story and for us to put those puzzle pieces together. When we decide to move forward together, we then establish the program that fits you and your goals. From there, we establish your goals for the next several months. We'll cover everything from nutrition coaching to sleep hygiene to routines. We really look at you as an entire person. This process is a collaborative effort. It's you and I working together, using your health history, your current situation, functional labs, and using that all to help you strive towards your healthiest you. As your coach, I'm here to guide and support you on your own health journey to becoming the healthiest version of you. If you're ready to improve your life in a holistic way, head to my website and schedule a free consultation. I look forward to talking to you.